Hello, here we are on the Tableau page. I already copied and pasted the article from Makeover Monday. So we're currently on the Tableau page. Let's go back here. So the article that I chose was highest rates of alcohol consumption worldwide. Alright, so we're back here. We have the information on this side. So the first thing that I want to do, because I want it to look exactly like this one right here, I go to the bottom. I realize that there are 3 columns and there's 25 rows. Alright, so there's rank, country, and filters of pure alcohol consumption per capita. Alrighty. So let's see here. And I'm still learning Tableau, still reading the resources to know exactly what to do. Alright, so right here. Now we'll have the countries at the bottom. So let's go back to Tableau. Okay, I'm just going to put it in columns. And then here we have it. Because I want it to be in descending order, I'm going to go ahead and click right here. Alright, and then sort. I believe it's sort. And then I will go to field. I'll go to descending. And then that should be that. Okay, let's just click this. Also want to change the color so it looks more like the other diagram. So here it is. I'm not quite sure how to get it to basically be shorter, but I'll still be reading the resources. I believe I could go ahead and go on fit height, entire view. Well, that just makes it a bit bigger. I'll just go back to standard for right now. Alright, so I'm going to rename it highest rates of alcohol consumption worldwide. So just double click here. My memory is bad. Let's see. So highest, what is it? Okay, it's the highest rates of alcohol consumption worldwide. Consumption worldwide. Click OK, and that is the name. I am still working with it, still reading the resources, but so far this is as close to the original visualization that I can get. I definitely welcome feedback and will continue to work on it. Thank you so much.